So starting with the moisturizer, I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. So first impressions were like meh, fragrance. But when I applied it, I loved how it made my skin look and feel. So yeah, I'm adding some moisture to my skin before I start doing my makeup. For the foundation, I'm using Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. I'm using the shade W240 and I'm applying it on my face with that spatula itself. Blending, I'm using the Sigma 3D HD Perfect Complexion Set. So I'm going to be using the Kabuki brush and then this sponge later. Using the pack Take Cover Concealer in Honey Drop under my eyes, a little around the nose and a little around the areas of the mouth. Using the same Sigma Kabuki brush to blend it all in. To set my base, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder in the shade 310 Sun Beige. And I will use the flat side of the sponge to just pat it all over my face, and I'm concentrating on the under eye area. Now for the brows, I'm using the Etude House Eyebrow Pencil Drawing Eye Pencil. This again has product on one side and spoolie on the other, so very convenient. So next for the eyes, I am going to be using the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air Eyeshadow Palette. Great palette under 500. I'll use this pumpkin orange type color, a brown color and a shimmer. So first I'm applying that orange pumpkin shade all over my eyelid. I'll apply a matte brown shade on the outer V of my eyes just to define my eyes a little bit. And I didn't plan to use shimmer, but I thought this is going to just bind the whole eye look together. So I placed that shimmer with the help of my fingers and then blend it all in. I'm going to be using the Lakme Absolute Shine Align Eyeliner, just drawing a very classic wing. And this stings a little bit when you just first put it on, then it sets to a beautiful matte finish. So I don't know if that's just me or it happens with everyone. So after this, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, one of my all-time favorites, affordable mascara. And after that, I'm going to be using false lashes, which I did, I think, after months, but I had to do for the Karwa Chauth look. I'm using the Pack 56 here. Then moving on to the blush, I'm using the Miss Claire blusher in the number 12, I suppose, yes. I'm using the Swiss Beauty Fusion Highlighter. Now this is something which is like in the baked or in the cream to powder category. I don't know how to like categorize it, but love how it looks on my skin tone. Using the same sponge to blend it in with my face. Now for the lipstick, I'm using the Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick. This shade is Espresso Short. Now this is a brown lipstick with hints of maroon. As a metallic lip topper, I'm using the Nykaa Metallic Liquid Lipstick in the shade Poker Face, and see how it instantly gives like that festive feel to my entire look. Some sindoor, red bindi, and we are done for the Karwa Chauth.